Hey. Just thought I would bring you guys along. Get some company before I make my last batch for the day. Made up some Love Me Lavender. Yes. Anybody out there? Happy New Year. Happy upcoming year and new decade. Yes, 2020. Yes, somewhat like 2020 vision. Like they say that's the perfect vision to have is 2020. So it's like, okay, here comes 2020. So just gotta figure out what the vision is, right? And it's never too late. It's not gonna your whole life isn't gonna change in one day. So it's never too late. It's never too late to recreate yourself. It's never too late to do a new thing, right? I mean, take me for instance. Who knew? I was gonna be making bath bombs, like for real. If you know me from 5 years ago, heck, 3 years ago, really if you know me from 10 years ago, you really be like, wait, what? She's doing what? What's going on? What's happening? So let me see who we got on the line. Hold on. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna wait to see who's on the line because guess what? I've added my citric acid, and that means I gotta get moving. But yeah, let me see. Hey, Jocelyn, Kimberly, Tammy, Angie. Hey, Angie. Hey, Tammy. Hey, Kimberly. Angie Simpson. Man, my real estate and life mentor. When I was in real estate, my God, my girl, Angie, would you ever believe that I would be making bath bombs? Huh? All right, hold on, you guys. I'm gonna put them in the hopper. My camera's not big enough to show everything, but so I'm gonna show you the important part. Yeah. So we got it in there. Boom. So yeah, lavender coconut. I saw that, Tammy. And lavender coconut would be good. So in 2020, I will get more adventurous. Here you go. Boom. I will get more adventurous with my flavors. Yes. But for now, it's just plain Jane, but yes, the lavender coconut. Somebody said the other day coconut and something else, and I really like the coconut. And I use like really high grade oils, so they keep their smell and they won't, make you itchy and all that. So, what's everybody doing for New Year's? What's everybody doing for not for New Year's, but for New Year's Eve? That's what I meant to say, New Year's Eve. I want to hear what people are doing. When I lived in California, there were times where I went to church on New Year's Eve, and I really enjoyed it. I went to City of Refuge. It was like, wow, powerful. Loved it so much. And in Jamaica, what do? Go up the hill and watch the fireworks down on the beach. Yeah, man. And the weather was warm. Yes, the sun was shining. Yes. Well, not at night, but it felt like it. Felt like it. What else I want? Gina, Tammy, Angie. Okay, yes, y'all. Yes, hey, sweet Sandy. Where are you going, girl? Yes, man. Just in the kitchen workshop. Yes. Putting together some bath bombs. This is like therapy for me. I really enjoy it. I think my arms are starting to get buff too. So, hey, it's not too bad. But there's supposed to be a machine that's going to come out. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, there already are machines. I already know that. There's already machines. But this one, it's about to be the done dada. So hopefully I'll be the person to test it out because my recipe is fire. So hopefully I'll be able to be that person that they'll choose to do the testing of the super duper bath bomb maker machine. Yeah. All right. So here we go. Here's the next one. What does it say? What are you making? I'm making bath bombs. Bath bombs. So, yep, bath bombs. They're vegan bath bombs, which means that the colors are all natural. The products in them are all natural. I don't use any like lanolin oils. That's actually animal. So I learned a lot last year. We learned a lot last year about veganism and vegan products and all the importance of it and how wonderful it is. So, yes, man. Yes. Wait, as soon as I'm finished with these, I'll get some warm water and we'll drop a couple so you can see what they look like and how they fizz. They fizz really nice. The other night we did a live, and all of the bath bombs that we dropped in the water, Nigel was about to throw out the water, and I was like, oh no, don't throw that water out, no. So he put it all into the bathtub. But honestly and truly, it's not really advisable to take a bath in 6 bath bombs. No, that's not good. So what we did was we just put our feet in it, okay? And that was it. I didn't want to waste it because they all have Nigel's Jamaican almond oil in it. So needless to say, our feet are soft. Me and my babies. Let me see, anybody saying anything? Hey Kathy, hey Tracy, hey Spanky. Okay, I answered your question. What am I making? I'm making bath bombs if you just joined us. And yeah, I've been watching 4 Weddings all day. I love that show. My sister's about to get married. She said yes to the dress yesterday. Her wedding's in July. Yeah, July, so I'm looking forward to that. That's a beautiful event. Can't wait. Yes, my sweet baby sister is getting married. Yes. I'm looking forward to that. See who else? Anybody else get on the line? Hey Drew. Hey Drew. Hey Drew. Hey Drew. Hey Drew. We gotta come down there and bring you guys some oil. We're the worst. So sorry. We need to get down there. You said you wanted some there, and we haven't been there. And we're the worst. And I promise we will be there soon. So, and that brings me to a good point. Anybody out there that haven't returned your messages or, you know, took a long time answering them, please forgive me. It's definitely, hold on, let me count real quick. Okay, it's definitely not because ignoring anybody or anything like that. It's like, honestly, I've been just doing my work and then just building bonds with my family. Because, man, we lived in California. Woo! It was always go, 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 go. And I give thanks that we're here because it puts us on a different pace and allows time for things that are really truly like the most important things, especially at my age, especially during this times. And it's like we're so connected to technology and this and that, and it's like ever since we've been here, it's my mission to disconnect from the technology part and like really connect. Like, okay, we're gonna use technology, but you know, I want to see your face. You know, I don't care what you posted. I want to see you. I want to see you. You know, my grandson, he blew me a kiss. He knew I was hanging up. He's like, Grandma, and he blew me a kiss, and man, that made me melt. That just, it was just like a covering, you know. So for me, you know, if I delay, you know, it's because that's all I do. It's just bonding with my family and making this product and just trying to figure out ways to better serve our customers, like through all different ways between new packaging, you know, just like, well, how can I think of new packaging, updating our website, you know, and just getting ourselves together on the next level so that we're able to, you know, we're able to grow and we're able to serve. Because, you know, that's what it's all about. Yep. Boom. That's what it's all about. Growing. You know, when you're in business for yourself, you're taking care of every aspect, you know, every single aspect from the top to the bottom. So it's a lot. And then, you know, you miss things. I miss things. I'll say it like that. But I do my best, you know, and we make mistakes, but we make sure we correct them, you know, and we pray for grace and mercy. As we have grace on others, we also pray for people to have grace on us, you know, just as a human being, not even as a business, but just as a human being, you know. Yes, man, so many possibilities in the new decade, if you will. Yes. All right. Here we go. So about like a year and a half ago, I would have never done this on camera. Never. You know why? Because I didn't know what I was doing. I was still practicing. I was still creating. And not that I'm not creating now, but I was still finding my way. I was being a student. So, but I made some good bath bombs when they were good. But when they were bad, they were horrible. They were horrible. So, if you got any bad bath bombs of mine, instant message me. No, better yet, text me. 863-451-1175. If you ever got any bath bombs that weren't the bomb, because maybe you got them during a time when I was first starting out, or, you know, maybe they just weren't good when you got them. So if that's the case, text me. I'm gonna get you some more bath bombs, okay? Because I know they're different than they were a year ago, right? So anyway, yeah, let's do that. Yeah, 863-451-1175. Just text me. Don't call me, text me. Because if you call me and we start chatting and I have this, then I'll never know your name or your address or anything. Because we'll just have a lovely conversation. I'll know your name, but, you know, by the time I sit down at my desk, the only thing will be left is how good I feel from our conversation I'll remember absolutely nothing else, no addresses or anything. So text me, and yeah, we'll make sure that we get those to you. Yep. And I'm getting close to being finished. Let's see who else on the line. Hey Maggie. Hey Patricia. Yes. Hey Renee Jessie. Bath wine girl. Look at this. I'm making bath bombs. Like when I was working at Wyndham, who knew? Who knew I would be making bath bombs? Come on. Come on, Renee. Come on. But yes, y'all. Renee is a superstar though. Man, you're looking for a timeshare? And not even a timeshare, it's not really a timeshare. It's vacation ownership. You need to hit up Renee Jessie with Wyndham. Yes, the properties are fabulous. I worked there for, I think it was 2 months, a month and a half. But honestly, I took more vacations than I did. I didn't sell anything. I did sell one package, but then the people, they decided not to get it. But I sure did vacation though. I sure did use those employee benefits. I love me some Wyndham. We went to the Wyndham and we went to the one, gosh, what's the name of it? It's in Palm Springs. It's outside of Palm Springs, past Palm Springs. Nigel, where do we go? Indian Wells? Not Indian Wells.
I don't remember.
What was the name of it? Anybody's gonna say it? It was, yeah, but there's a lot of Wyndhams out there. Trina would know. But anyway, we went out there and it was gorgeous. We had such a good time. We went back 2 more times after that, okay? And my coworker that I went through training with, he was like, dang, are you ever gonna sell anything? Are you just gonna, do you just work here so you can go on the vacations? And it made me think. I was like, maybe. So I had to resign from that job, okay? I had to resign because I just couldn't manage it. But I'm here now. Okay, I'm here now. It's all good in the neighborhood. Yes. Okay, I'm almost finished. All right, it's getting warm in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sometimes I go to 20, 21, or 22, or 23. Boom. Okay. There we go. There's another one. Okay. All right, you guys. I'm gonna actually dissolve one so you can see. I don't have any bowls. Oh. I don't have any bowls. Okay, we're gonna use a small bowl. Oh, that sucks. I wonder if it's gonna explode too much. Take this little bowl. I have a little piece. So, hang on, you guys. I'm coming. I'll be right there. Hold on. You can go anywhere. I'm just gonna use a small bowl. But I'm gonna remove this. I'm not gonna put it right near those bathrooms. That wouldn't be smart. Okay, let's see. Renee Jessie, I knew she would know. Let's see what she said. Hey lady thinking, 2020 bathrooms need to order my things ASAP. Yeah man, we have free shipping. Order up. I'll put some extra goodies in there for you. Okay, you guys. Alright, so all my bowls are in the other room, and I only have a short amount of time because I have a little bit of mix left, and get ready to make baby bombs with those. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's like for this to explode. And oh boy, what if it goes over? I'll get this. This is my coloring bowl. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There it is. You see it. 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 Yeah. You can see the oil on top. Yes. Okay, that was just a little piece that went in here. So I'm about to put this into my foot spa and have some Love Me Lavender time. Maybe I'll take a little video of doing that. All right, so I'm gonna go. I gotta dry my gloves off now because I still have a little bit more mix in here. And if I put my hands near this water in here, my whole bowl will start fizzing, okay? So take this off. Okay. All right, you guys, thank you. Thank you for being with me this evening. Thank you for being on the journey. And I'm gonna keep doing this, okay? Because I've been learning some stuff. I've been a student lately, so I've been learning some stuff. So you're gonna be seeing me a lot more often. All right? Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.